Well, the state BJP today accused the Tripura Motha of orchestrating a series of attacks on BJP workers after the recently concluded TTAADC polls in the state. Speaking exclusively to Northeast Live, BJP General Secretary Tripura Papia Datta said that several cases of post-poll violence on BJP workers have come to the fore, allegedly orchestrated by Tripura Motha. The BJP leader's statement comes after miscreants attacked a BJP Mandal president and also vandalized a BJP party office in Tripura's Gomti district on Friday. BJP General Secretary Papia Datta, accompanied by Tripura BJP President Manik Saha and MPs Pratima Bhaumik and Rebati Tripura, visited the spot earlier today to take stock of the damage. And putting the blame squarely on Tripura Motha, BJP General Secretary Papia Datta said that even women were not spared during the attack. Furthermore, Datta also demanded that Tripura Motha Supremo and Tripura Royal Scion Pradyot Debbarma must issue a clarification on the matter.
बहुत ही दुख के साथ हम लोगों को ये कहना पड़ रहा है कि यूनिटी के नाम पर अभी ट्रिपुरा मोथा के जो भी सपोर्टर्स है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के जनजाति जो हमारे जो कार्यकर्ता है, उनके ऊपर आए दिन बहुत ही बर्बरता से, बहुत ही निर्ममता से अत्याचार वो लोग कर रहे हैं। घर जला दिया जा रहा है, पार्टी कार्यालय पर अटैक किया जा रहा है। जैसे परसों की घटना आप ले लो, हमारे जो अमरपुर में मंडल अध्यक्ष है, उनके गाड़ी तोड़फोड़ किए गए, उनके ऊपर जानलेवा हमला किया गया, ट्रिपुरा मोथा के सपोर्टर्स ने किया। और सबसे बड़ी बात जो मुझे अभी कहना पड़ेगा, मैं यहाँ पर एक महिला के नाते बैठी हूँ। हम सब जब गए, दो महिला जो सामने आए, उन्होंने जिस तरीके से उस घटना की मतलब हम लोगों के सामने रखा, मेरी रूह कांप गई। महिला के ऊपर मतलब बलात्कार करने की कोशिश किया गया। मैं ट्रिपुरा मोथा के जो सुप्रीमो है, उनको मैं विनम्रता से मैं बोलना चाहूँगी, वो सिचुएशन अभी ये ऐसा हो चुका है कि उनको अभी आगे आकर क्लैरिफिकेशन देना ही होगा।
And meanwhile, the Tripura Royal Scion and the Tripura chairman Pradyot Debbarma hit back at the BJP and said that by levelling such allegations, the Saffron Party is only exposing its own shortcomings in maintaining law and order. Pradyot Debbarma also questioned as to why the State Home Department, which is under Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb, has failed to ensure the law and order is maintained. However, in a significant statement, Pradyot Debbarma also said that political violence is a legacy issue which has been inherited from years of communist rule in the state. Debbarma said that as such has been the case since former communist leaders are now also members of the BJP, including other parties as well. Listen in. BJP General Secretary in Tripura, Papia Datta, she has alleged your party, the Tripura Motha, of orchestrating a series of attacks on BJP workers after your party came to power in the recently concluded ADC elections in the state. And she has also demanded a direct clarification on the matter from you, saying that your party workers are responsible for these acts of violence. So what is your reaction to this?
There are two aspects to this. First, even today, the security which is being given to me or to any of my councillors are being given by the state government.
Okay.
The state government is ruled by the BJP. The Home Department is under the Chief Minister. If the General Secretary of the party which the Chief Minister belongs to is saying that they are not able to control the violence in the state, it is saying something about their own government, because the Home Department is under the Chief Minister. And even the security provided to me is provided by the state government. So that is one aspect. Second, I don't know who this Papia is. I've seen her tweets. She's tagged me along as well. Okay. Papia should understand one thing. Many of the people who have joined BJP were at one point communists. Many people who have come after the victory of ours are also members who have been at some point members of the Communist Party. This is a legacy issue which we have inherited because of years of CPM rule. If you see West Bengal, Kerala, Tripura, we have a culture of political violence which are inherited from the communist regimes. Neither Papia Datta can control anyone who has at some point been a communist worker, neither can I. What we can do is appeal and ensure that this culture of political violence ends. By her merely saying that I have done it or she has done it, I can also accuse her, nothing will end. The problem is in the mindset. She has tagged the picture of my grandfather's photograph being destroyed. I think she's doing politics. I don't think politics is required right now. What we need are people with a certain amount of vision, certain amount of depth, people who love their state and who appeal to workers in the grassroots not to indulge in political violence, because this is a culture neither the BJP had, neither Tripura Motha had, neither Congress had. This is a culture we have inherited from years and years of CPM rule.
All right, Mr. Debbarma, there has also been another very, a very scathing allegation that has been made by the BJP General Secretary, and what she has said is that during these attacks that she was speaking of, there has also been attacks on women, is what she was telling us, is that, there have also been attempts at a sexual assault on the women during these attacks, and she has said that despite the Tripura chief, talking about unity in all of their campaigns and everywhere they go, this is what the Tripura workers are doing. So, what would you like to say to that, Mr. Debbarma?
That in that case, she should ask for my resignation, and she should be happy, because never under my leadership can any woman be abused, molested, or outraged. It is very sad, I mean, we have, it's very sad. I mean, I think I shall have a word with her seniors in the party and tell them to make statements which are of certain depth. I mean, very sad, extremely sad. Women being attacked in Tripura is something which is deeply shocking. It is happening in villages. Rapes take place, and these rapists, these murderers, these molesters do not have any political color. They do not have religious color. They are actually criminals, and they should be arrested and dealt with according to law. I will not indulge or tolerate any criminals who have ever outraged the modesty or attempted to do anything to the women.
Sir, the final question that I wanted to ask you is, there have been incidents of post-poll violence being reported from Tripura, and regardless of who is actually behind this, what, according to you, is the way forward from here? How do we make sure that such incidents do not happen?
You see, the problem is that we are over-politicized. I may be in politics myself, but I don't spend 24 hours a day trying to finish my political opponent off. The problem is that this culture of violence, which is prevalent in West Bengal, today the communists may no longer be there. They are zero in West Bengal, but the violence has carried on with TMC and BJP. The same thing is in Tripura. I think we have to change our mindset. I think the police have to be very stern. I think political parties, like mine included, I take the responsibility, need to ensure that people who are gundas, who are mafias, who are drug dealers, who have a nexus between contractors and politicians, are not given positions of importance in any political party. Only then this can change.